Okay, my people, I will be taking you guys to Edo State. This is the popular, famous black soup, also known as omoebe. Stay with me, don't go anywhere. Let me show you how to make it. First, you're going to be using leaf. You use a bitter leaf, your scent leaf, Oziza leaf. If you can lay your hands on the fresh one, perfect. Because of where I stay, I decided to use the dry ones. So I've got in here some bitter leaf, dry bitter leaf, some Oziza leaves, and some scent leaf. Scotch bonnet pepper. You add some Oziza, African nutmeg, iruru, some onion. This is optional if you don't. You just incorporate everything into your blender and add water. Note, be sure your blender has enough strength to take this. Leaves has this strength, so be sure your blender can accommodate this, or else you can take it to a roadside to blend it so the texture will be very, very smooth. At some point, I added some pepper. Now you just pour this into a bowl. This soup is so easy to make and it is very medicinal. Like honestly, you want to try this soup. Now, the process that I tell you is easy to make. You're not frying anything, you're just incorporating everything into the pot. Like when you put everything into the pot, you're good to go. You can even go and just relax, and come back. Your soup is ready. Now, I will add my banga oil. You can use palm oil for this, but you want to use banga oil. That is my favorite. I went in with more spices, your local herbs like eweru and uziza, just to give it more spice. Dry pepper more. Now you go in with your snail. For this soup, you can use any protein of your choice. Most really fresh fish. Don't joke with fresh fish. They go hand in hand together. But you know the wasabi cook where I be now. I went in with my snails. I went in with some chunks of smoked turkey. This is optional. Only fresh fish for this soup, you are good to go. Then the fish. For this fish, I'm using a red sniper fish. You can use a Titus fish, you can use tilapia, any fish of your choice. You can even use smoked fish, but I prefer to use mine with dry. Now, the dry fish. Just any protein of your choice will go. But Marthaalwell is a wasabi cook. Like I said before, this soup, no stress at all. Just incorporate everything you're going to be using inside seasoning cubes. So just put everything together and cover the pot. Go and relax. Before you come back, your soup is ready. You just gently stir this. You add water and adjust your taste. And cover this to cook. I came back at some point and I added my beef, cooked beef into it. I'm a wasabi cook, so don't blame me. I'll cover this and allow this to boil. Yes, to boil. And I'll add my crayfish. Be generous with the crayfish because the crayfish will give us it's the test. You gently stir this, just stir this gently. Cover and boil. The soup is ready. Here is the almighty famous omoebe, also known as Edo Black Soup. You want to have this with any protein of your choice. Trust me, guys. Some break from egusi, from ogbono, from vegetable. You want to try this, man. I took my guy to Edo State and he couldn't stop eating. He was just eating and eating and eating. Let me know if you be trying this recipe. So this video is for a old schoolmate of mine, Aisha. I can't remember you, but I got your message on my message box and I just decided to put this video together for you. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you like this. Kindly share, subscribe, and don't forget. God bless you all. It's your girl, Marthaalwell. Bye.